channel. So आज का vlog, this is the first vlog that I'm shooting. So आज हम जो भी मैंने स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स कुछ जो मैं ऑलरेडी यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ और कुछ जो मैं ट्राई करना चाहती हूँ, so that I've ordered just because in few days I'll be traveling. So हाँ, so this will be all travel appropriate mostly I am thinking, and थोड़े कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राई कर रही हूँ, जो मुझे बहुत देर से मतलब बहुत पहले से ट्राई करने थे. So let's unbox the parcels and see what's there in. So let's start. So the first one is castor oil. This is from Wishcare. ये मैंने सिर्फ just because I wanted to add castor oil in my hair care routine. So this I've ordered. Second is micellar water because wedding season is here. So just for the brushes and all, I've ordered this. So this is also I'm trying for the first time. So I'll also make a video after I use this for 1 month or further. So yeah. From this we have last is face pack, papaya face pack. So this is also is the first time which I'm trying. So now we'll unbox the second. Now this is the second one. जो third है which I showed in the clip, वो that is not related to skin care product. जो last वाला जो है in the white bag छोटा वाला, वो skin care product नहीं है. So I thought कि वो last में open करते हैं. So this is the second one. So actually this was only one parcel, but it came in 2 shipments, or rather 3. This or shampoo and conditioner combo which I have used earlier before this. This is Love Beauty and Planet का Curls and Waves rice water वाला shampoo and conditioner. This is nice. It is paraben free, so it's good for hairs. I've used it. I've finished one whole bottle of this. So this is my second purchase. So this is nice. If you have curly baby hairs, and you want a sulfate free, paraben free shampoo, so this is a must try. Then next is Nykaa's essential oils, rosemary. This I have tried earlier. It's very nice to be added in any hair oil that you are using. I especially add this in coconut oil. 2 to 3 drops are enough for your what you can say small bottle which you carry. And this time I have also purchased tea tree essential oil also to add in the oil along with castor oil. So this is then next is Mars base illuminating moisturizer. I have tried for sugar, which I received as a sample in my previous order. So wanted to try because sugar ka is of small part. So wanted to try this. So let's open it. So this is the shade is Pink Bean. There are 2 shades in this moisturizer. It gives nice shimmery look to even if you don't put any moisture foundation, you can directly use this also. So it is like this. This is Pink Bean. I don't know whether it's visible or not. It's not. It's second shade 2, Pink Bean. One once again, this next product is Mars ka primer. I have seen many Instagram reels on this, so wanted to try this primer since long. So actually I bought two, I guess, primers. This illuminating moisturizer can also be used as primer or moisturizer. Even if you want a no foundation look, you can use it. Then this is Mars primer. This is my first time try, so yeah, I'll make a video when I use this. Last from the skincare product is this Mars lipstick. This is Candelicious in Cherry Cola shade. So I'm very fond of brown shades in lipstick. It looks good on me. So this is it. So I'll also put a stroke to show you guys how it looks. So it has very nice applicator. So when it looks, it has a very glossy texture and brownish. So it's really like a gloss which you can use. So try this. We are done. One last product which has not came yet. That is the small hair fixer, which I wanted to try for my baby hair, but it's not yet came. So nevertheless, if it gets received in today or tomorrow, I'll add a clip of that on as well. So the last is this one. So this is not a skincare but a shapewear for sari, which I ordered from Nykaa Fashion. This is like this. The cloth is nice. So I've ordered this because it has a tie thing also. Because if the size doesn't gets me, if I don't find the perfect size, if it's loose to me, I can fix it with this. A few shapewears were there with only the elastic thing and not to tie anything. So if I didn't want it to take this because I'll be leaving for trip in next 3 days. So yeah, this is it. It has a nice slit on it. Color. I think I've ordered the two shades similar, kind of a pinkish, light pink. This is lavender. This is from brand Zero Kata. I'll put a link of this as well. And I have received a freebie. So as everyone is also excited to open their freebie, so am I. So just opening. This is earrings, which even I don't know. Okay, so it is nice. Not bad. So this is a freebie which I got with the sari shapewear. So yeah, that's nice one. Nice oxidized earrings. So yeah, that's it. Then yeah, we'll also show how I use this in my hair care routine, how I make the hair oil using this castor oil and real rosemary leaves. So stay tuned for that. So that's it for this vlog. I'll put links of all the skincare that I've purchased, and I'll also make a video when I've used all the products more than 2 to 3 times, so I'll be able to tell you whether it's nice or not. Most of products I'm trying for the first time, only 2-3 products which I've used earlier. Shampoo is nice, you can any day go with that, related to whatever hair type you have or whatever particular hair type. I have curly and wavy hair, so I took this last time also. It's good. It doesn't makes your scalp itchy, because I had a problem of dandruff and itchy scalp, so it helps to soothe it. And also इसका जो एक serum है, it's tea tree serum. It helps to soothe your scalp. I use it. I have the bottle, that's why I've not purchased it once again. So I have that serum which I use if ever I feel कि I'm feeling itchy on my scalp. I use that to soothe it.